Hey, this is Steven, and today we are going to juice wheatgrass for the very first time. When I say we, I mean me. I got a Solostar, how do you say it? Solostar wheatgrass juicer, and the reason why I got this device was I've got a lot of friends who are into juicing, and I had originally been recommended the Omega 800 or 900. You may have heard of those. They're very, very popular. They have a allegedly a little glitch that they'll get stuck a lot. This one, the Solostar, is very comparable in price. It's a little bit less than the Omega 800, and it does not have the issues that the Omega does. So, all right, so we are going to put this thing together first and then make wheatgrass. So you'll see all this stuff on the table. What do we do? So you'll know, this piece, there is, you can't see it, but this little lever, you can see me turning it. It says clearly close and open. So I move it to open, push this in, and move it to close. Done with that. Then I'm going to take this auger, and you'll notice that it has like a little octagonal thing. There's that end and this end. It's pretty simple to use this end. You're going to carefully push this in because it'll have a little hole there. If it's in too snugly, you just press. That's it. You don't have to turn it anywhere or anything. Then the next thing, this device has, where am I looking here? Teeth on one side. See those teeth? And there's a little notch on the other. Just remember the teeth go down. This only goes in one way. So you've got to line it up correctly and it'll slide right in. And that's it. Then you're going to take this piece, this bigger piece, you're going to push this in. Now, unlike most things in the United States conventionally go clockwise, you tighten this by going counterclockwise. You just turn it a little bit. Goes farther than I thought. You keep turning this until it stops, and that's only about a quarter turn. This piece where the wheatgrass is going to go at the top fits on this thing, this top thing. You're just going to press down, and it'll get pretty tight. Like you can lift the whole juicer up with this deal. Now here's where it gets a little different. It comes with all of these little thingy here. There's a lot of them. Okay, I don't even know what they do. I haven't read the manual, but the wheatgrass, the fiber is going to come out, or the pulp's going to come out on this on the right end. So you get the one with the smaller hole about like that. So let me just show you for comparison. This one's got a little bigger hole. It was recommended to me to use the one with the tighter hole. So you put this here. And again, counterclockwise to tighten. It's tight. Boom, done. The cord simply plugs into a power cord. It's also going to come with two containers like this and one mesh screen. They both are the same. I mean, these containers are the same size. So I put one underneath. The juice is going to come out here. So I'll put one there. And I'm going to line this one up here for the pulp to fall into. Got it? So that's about it. It has this lid deal here too, but I don't know why in the heck I'd have that if I wasn't cleaning it every day. I'm not exactly sure what this mesh strainer is for. I'll find out later. Looks like this is to clean stuff. Cool. And then I've got this thing that I can pound wheatgrass through, but I don't think we need this either based on what my friend showed me. So let's start juicing. How about that? So there's two flips on the power switch. One is like you press it and it goes. When you let go, it stops. And then actually that's the reverse. Good to know, because if it does get stuck, you need to use the reverse. I'll show you that in a second because it may happen. I flip the power, continuously going this way, and I grab, a little handful of wheatgrass, not the whole bag or anything. And use my little plunger dealio. Alright, it's working. I'm going to pick some more. Check out the pulp coming up the side. Juice drops down here. My goal when juicing wheatgrass is to juice about 6 ounces. That's a lot. Most places where you can buy wheatgrass in a juicing place or whatever, they'll sell 1 ounce wheatgrass shots or 2 ounce wheatgrass shots. But I'm trying to get in a good dose of wheatgrass every day. It's rumored that wheatgrass will return your hair color back to its natural color. I don't mind salt and pepper. I like it. But mine's gotten almost all salt lately, so I want some pepper back. So we'll see if this works. If it doesn't, I'm going to get really healthy from the wheatgrass anyway. Tons of micronutrients in this stuff. All right, so we've got enough wheatgrass here for a shot. I'm not making enough for other days and stuff. It's just for now, and I've got a guest. So I'm going to turn this off. I've been told that removing this piece is pretty much, and actually this fell off in the middle of juicing. This is where this stuff comes through. And I've told removing this is the hardest thing to do. So, oh well, it removed itself. So another point there is when you put this on, make sure you turn this counterclockwise tightly so it's set. I've been told you may even have to use pliers to take that off. So ours is off already. Take the thing apart. I would clean it right after you're done because wheatgrass is probably going to stain stuff. But it's not that hard. Again, another benefit of this juicer, the Solostar, is assembly, breaking it apart, cleaning it, but it's not that big of a deal. So, very, very, very healthy wheatgrass. Look up the benefits of wheatgrass. There are a lot of them. And enjoy.